project. I don't know what to do.
Oh no!
I have to do an educational video about telecommunications.
I think I can help you with that.
Really?
Yeah, so. Right?
I heard that, well, we should start with the basics, so take notes.
Okay.
Well, do you know that these phones that we use, it's modern. But do you know who invented the first telephone that we are using today for communication?
Well, give me a hint.
His name sounds like Biscuit.
Rubisco Watson?
I'm pretty sure you just made that up.
Yeah, I did.
It's Alexander Graham Bell, right?
Yes.
So, how does it work then?
Well, a cellular mobile communication system uses a large number of low-power wireless transmitter to create cells. The basic geographic service area as a wireless communication system.
And also, variable power cells allow cells to be seized according to subscribers' density and demand within a particular region.
Oh yes, I remember now. The conversations are then handed off between cells in order to maintain service.
The cell site takes too many mobiles at once using one channel for mobile. Channels uses a part of frequencies for communication, one frequency for the forward link for transmitting, and okay, I know now. From the cell site, and one frequency, the reverse link for the cell to receive cells from mobile user.
Notice something? From wired telephones to wireless signal sending phones, the technology nowadays is really giving us a great deal of convenience.
Oh, you guys are the things you know.